Bawat araw may surpresang saya, may pabaong ngiti at tawa.
May sayaw at kanta, napapanahong balita, masaya mga kwento.
Kasama dito, dito, para gumaan ang hirap ng buhay. Sama-sama tayo dito, tutok na dito. Buong Pilipinas, saya ko. Oras para sa lahat, bawat pamilya, saya ko. Ang saya,
This is AMBS Channel 2, a commercial TV station operating under permit number BSD-0126-2022 TBC MOD. Channel 2 transmitter is located at Diliman, Quezon City. AMBS Channel 2 is operated by the following professional electronics engineers, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Erwin D. Senora, PECE number 0001448. Engineer Romel G. Ardenio, ECE number 0023097. Engineer Sean Jacob Sericon, ECE number 0081731. Engineer Gerald Arcega, ECE number 0082990. Engineer Madrick Ace Villa, ECE number 0082201. Orlando M. Legarta, 93-1PNCR-6016. Rene O. Agravante, 93-1PV-5715. Jose P. Buban, 94-1PV-8960. Mon Israel U. Bagay, 09-1PCAR-23697. AMBS Channel 2 programming can also be seen at the following stations: Channel 2 in Quezon City, Channel 2 in Isabela, Channel 3 in Benguet, Channel 3 in Cebu, Channel 3 in Gensan, Channel 3 in Zamboanga, Channel 4 in Legazpi City, Channel 4 in Murcia, Negros Occidental, Channel 4 in Cagayan de Oro, Channel 4 in Iligan City, Channel 4 in Davao, Channel 5 in Cotabato, Channel 7 in Lawag, Channel 7 in Palawan, Channel 10 in Batangas, Channel 10 in Guimaras, Channel 11 in Naga City, Channel 11 in Mount Amuyao, Channel 12 in Dumaguete, Channel 13 in Botolan, Zambales. AMBS Channel 2 can also be seen nationwide via digital transmitters located at the following areas: Quezon City, BSA Makati, Summit 1, Giginto, Silang, Halahala, Cebu, Davao, Tarlac, San Miguel, San Fernando, Batangas, San Pablo, Bacolod, Cagayan de Oro, Guimaras, and Benguet. This is AMBS Channel 2, now signing off.
Bayang magiliw, talas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lutang hirang, buyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisigaw. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidingding, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng